Hi everyone, this is Mr. Baragon. Day two assignment is posted. This video is to help anybody who took the CPM option from the book. Delta Math, like I said, there was an announcement made, so make sure you check Schoology so you can see when those will be posted. Okay, starting here is section 212, how can I shift a parabola? This is the first problem in this assignment for day two. So let's take a look. You should already be signed in. Remember, we're using Cornell Notes. I should be seeing you guys using Cornell Notes. Do this problem in your notebook, and this should be the title for this section, okay? So make sure you guys write this down on the top. How can I shift a parabola and the section number? We're gonna scroll down here to 2-25. So let's go down here. Okay, so this problem has three sections, sorry, or three parts: A, B, C, and the C. You have it says use what you have learned in the parabola investigation to write an equation for each of the parabolas described below. So you guys have to do the transformations for each one of these sections. So moving upward, shifted 8 units to the right, or 5 units down. So how do I do this? Well, I want you to click on the Desmos E tool. So click on it. You guys are going to see the screen. And what you guys are doing is using the transformations that they're giving you here. So you have A, you guys have B, and you guys have C. You guys have to do these three problems. And what you guys are doing is basically creating the equation for this for each of the given parabolas. So there's three problems here, A, B, C, and D. And what you guys are doing is you guys are writing the equation down here. So this is meant to help you. So remember, we're looking for parabolas. So what is the parent function of the parabola? When I talk about parent functions, it's those posters that we had on the walls in my classroom. So think back to those. Look at the notes. Remember, that was an assignment I had given you before to write those down. And if you don't have it, I'm gonna give you guys a head start here. What is the parent function, or what's the equation for the parent function of a quadratic function, right? Because that's what we're using here. So how do we start this? It should be y equals x squared. Now here's the thing: how do I make this red parabola look like this parabola right here? A. Well, I'm not going to give you guys the equation, but you guys have to change the equation so that you guys can do the transformations. So how do I shift it to the right? How I move it down? How do I stretch it by 10, a unit of 10, right? So this is what you guys are doing here. They're describing what they want you to do. How do I get it to shift down and move it to the vertex -7 and -2 and compress it by 0.60? 0.6, I'm sorry. We had done this before, and I'm letting you guys do this again. So just so that you guys don't completely forget. So if I change the equation, let's say I add 2. What transformation did I do here? What about if I well, subtract 2, just to make it easy, right? You guys are going to play around with this, and you guys are going to give me the solution to all three of these. Okay, so make sure you guys are writing them down here, right? So what should be the equation? You guys should be writing this down in your notebook also. But the way you guys are also going to turn in your work is you guys are going to go here. So let me highlight this real quick. Do you guys see this button right here? I don't know if you guys could see it. It's right here. That button is going to give you guys the chance to download your answers. So once you have them, I'm going to have you guys download. So it says here export image. So click here. You guys could download it. So when you guys download it, and you guys could change it how do you want the lines to look. You're going to hit here download. And what you guys, depending on your computer, whatever your computer you guys are using, you guys are going to get a little message. Oh, I guess I can't do it. You guys are gonna get a little message. Send me this and send it to upload it to Schoology, plus a picture of your assignment, and that's how you guys are turning in this assignment. Okay. Alrighty, guys. Good luck with all this, and we'll be talking soon. Leave me a message if you have a question.